How to fix your reels not uploading on your Instagram. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing is going to be a weak and unstable internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. You can also make sure that VPN is turned off and try to toggle on and off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and clear the cache of the application. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your settings. Once you've done that, you want to simply go down to your apps, and then you can simply go ahead and look for Instagram, or the better way to do it is going to be inside of general iPhone storage, looking for the Instagram application, and then tap on offload right over here, and then re-download or reinstall it, which is going to appear right over here, as you can see. And once you reinstall it, it is going to go ahead and clear a bunch of cache. So it is as simple as that. If none of it works, you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.